Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the PixaFlux Add-on to create this grunge procedural surface texture in Blender. This texture is continuous and completely seamless across the surface of the object. If you are new to the PixaFlux Add-on, I recommend watching the introduction video linked in the description. In the PixaFlux Add-on panel, start the process. Then load the sample project Grunge Noodles Displace.pxf. First, set the displacement attributes to 0 and click Build Material. PixaFlux generates a new texture, and the add-on applies it to the object in a new shader network. You can control the scale of the texture using the size attributes. The noodles attributes let you control their number and thickness. Then a displace operation shifts these noodles across the surface. This displacement uses a noise-based vector field to determine the direction of the distortion. In some areas, the vectors point in completely different directions, creating sharp breaks and rough edges. The displace spread attribute adds randomness to the displacement. Higher values create a noisier, more chaotic look. A value of 2 works well for this example. Copy the grunge texture to the plastic material. Set the dirt color and increase the nodal count to intensify the effect. Procedural surface textures generated in PixaFlux remain continuous and seamless across the entire mesh, no matter the topology. Here is the project inside PixaFlux. The noodles are generated by a surface scratches node, which creates curved scratch-like lines. A surface filter node adds thickness. A surface displace node applies the displacement. And the vector field comes from a surface noise node in vector field combine mode. To visualize the vector field, I'll add a surface bake node. Switch the debug shader to display and convert the vector field to RGB colors. Each color represents a tangent vector on the surface. If I make all vectors points upward, the texture is displaced in that direction, and you can clearly see how the distortion changes. And that's how you can use PixaFlux and the Blender add-on to create a continuous, seamless grunge texture for your 3D models. If you have questions or suggestions, leave a comment below or join our Discord community. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Twitter, Blue Sky and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.